Hello everyone, good afternoon. Thank you so much, Rudra. So today we're just going to discuss the banking awareness segment. So important banking awareness concept is going to be discussed now. It might come in your IBPS exam, IBPS PU exam or coming SBI exam it might come, okay? So here's the question. I just want those who are online, write your answer, participate over here, maximum and maximum, share the link that maximum student get benefits out of it. Question number one is there. Question number one is here. Which of the following statement is true about NABARD? Which of the following statement is true about NABARD? It is a developmental bank in the sector of regional rural banks in India. It provides and regulates the credit in the rural areas. It gives assistance for the promotion and development of the rural sector, mainly agriculture. Yes, option D is answer. All of these answer. Okay, NABARD is exclusively made for providing the financial services to the people of unbanked rural area, particularly in rural development and agriculture. And it regulates the RRBs. It supervises the cooperative banks in a country. Okay, NABARD was established in the year 1982 on the recommendation of B. Sivaraman Committee. B. Sivaraman Committee. Okay, its headquarters is in Mumbai. Its chairman is Mr. Chintala, G.R. Chintala. Okay, it has a fund called RIDF fund, that is called a Rural Infrastructure Investment Fund. Okay, RIDF fund. Under this fund, the government of India sanctions some amount of money, and that fund is managed by NABARD. Out of this fund, it provides loans to the state government and different banks for their rural development. Okay, very good. Next question. What is known as a certain percentage of bank deposits which banks are required to keep with Reserve Bank of India in the form of reserve or balance? Easy question but important. Easy question but important one. क्या होगा आंसर? The one concept is called NDTL. NDTL stands for net demand and time liability. Net demand and time liability. Okay, it is the total deposit of a bank. Okay, total deposit of a bank, it may belong to deposit of the bank, and the liabilities which may be long term or short term. Okay, if the total liability will be 100 crores NDTL, then out of this a commercial bank has to maintain the same with Reserve Bank of India. RBI ପାଖରେ NDTL ରେ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରି ତାକୁ CRR ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ, କ୍ୟାଶ ରିଜର୍ଭ ରେସିଓ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ। and NDTL ଗୋଟେ bank ତ ନିଜ ପାଖରେ ରଖେ, bank kept with itself is called SLR in the form of gold, government securities, bonds, etc. Okay, NDTL ଗୋଟେ part bank ଯଦି RBI ପାଖରେ ରଖୁଛି ତାକୁ CRR କୁହାଯାଉଛି, ଯଦି ସେମ୍ ଜିନିଷ bank ନିଜ ପାଖରେ ରଖୁଛି then ତାକୁ SLR ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଉଛି, statutory liquidity ratio. Okay, the answer will be option D. Got it? Here is repo rate, reverse repo rate. Do you have any idea about it? If not, then just let's discuss a little. We people are public. Our bank is a commercial bank like SBI, and the commercial bank have a central bank or RBI. Whenever we need money, we can take loan from SBI, and whenever we have excess amount of money, then we can deposit the same amount with SBI, and the SBI will take interest from here and provide interest to us. Okay, here same as State Bank of India or SBI ର ବି monetary need होची, monetary need को fulfill କରିବା ପାଇଁ it can take loan from Reserve Bank of India. If it is for overnight basis or one day basis, it will be called MSF, marginal standing facilities. If it is for short term period, it's called repo rate. If it is for long term period, then it is called bank rate. Okay, one is MSF गोटे दिन by short term or up to 90 days पे हेले repo rate, that होची कहले bank rate. Same as the commercial banks तार किछि amount रो money RBI पाखरे deposit होची, okay, Reserve Bank of India पाखरे deposit होची, then Reserve Bank of India जो rate of interest ताको provide करियो, that will be called reverse repo rate. Okay, that will be called reverse repo rate. बुझिएला? Okay, फिर चलो फिर next question के लिए. What is the reason behind depreciation of an asset? Theft, labor drop, fire units, and wear and tear. It's wear and tear. Okay. What do you mean by depreciation? Depreciation is a continuous decrease in value of an asset. Continuous decreasing value of an assets. Okay. Continuous decreasing value of an asset, that is over a period of time. Okay. अगर आज हम कुछ खरीद लेते हैं, कुछ एसेट खरीद लेते हैं, take an example, we buy a car today, and after 1 year the cost of that car or the value of the car will be degraded because of its wear and tear. That is called depreciation. Okay, its opposite is called appreciation. Its opposite is called appreciation. It means the value of that particular products will increase. Okay, just like gold, just like land. Okay, the price of gold and land is increasing, that's why it is called appreciation. But the value of the car is decreasing, that's why it is called depreciation. Got it? Which of the following is the first RRB of India? India's प्रथम RRB ର ନାଁ କ'ଣ? Is Bharatiya Mahila Bank, Prathama Gramin Bank, Prathama Bank, Andhra Pradesh Gramin Bank, Kosi Gomati Bank? It is Prathama Bank. Okay, it was started in Moradabad. In Uttar Pradesh. Moradabad in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, it was started in Moradabad in Uttar Pradesh in 1975. When? In 1975. Got it? 1975. In Odisha, we have two RRBs. One is called OGB and one is called UGB. It's Odisha Gramin Bank. This one is Uttar Gramin Bank. Odisha Gramin Bank is situated in Bhubaneswar and Uttar Gramin Bank is situated in Balangir. Okay. चलो फिर next question के लिए. What is a bad bank? It gives loans at a very high interest rate. It takes overall bad loans and help to sell the property in a private market. It takes more time to sanction a loan. The loan policy of this bank is very complex. Answer is B. It takes over the bad loans and help them to sell to the private market. Okay. So what is bad loans? What is bad loans, or otherwise called NPA? NPA stands for non-performing assets. Non-performing assets. Okay. What is non-performing assets? If the loan amount, EMI amount, principal amount is not paid for the 90 days of its due date, okay, ଯେବେଠୁ paid ହବା କଥା ସେଠୁ 90 days ଗୋଟେ due date to 90 days ପରେ ଯଦି amount ରହିଗଲା, then it will be called non performing asset or NPA. okay, ଯଦି NPA ହେଇଯାଉଛି ସେ asset ରେ ଯାହା ବି collateral security ଅଛି ସେ collateral security କେମିତି କଣ sell ହେଇପାରିବ, ପଇସା recover ହେଇପାରିବ, that is the work of a bad bank. Next question. What does A represents in DIF? DIF stands for Depositors Education and Awareness Fund. Depositors Education and Awareness Fund. Okay? Education and Awareness Fund. It called when there is unclaimed account. Unclaimed account means unclaimed deposit accounts ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ. ଯଦି ଆମ account ରେ କିଛି balance ଅଛି and the balance we are not claiming for 10 years. Okay? Not claiming for 10 years. Then it will be called unclaimed account. Okay, good account ରେ ପଇସା ଅଛି, ଆମେ କିଛି ବି claim କରିବୁ ସେ ପଇସାକୁ, then after 10 years the amount will be transferred to the DIF account of Government of India, which is managed by the Reserve Bank of India. Okay, DIF account is managed by the Reserve Bank of India and the amount of money will be transferred to the Government of India. That's called unclaimed account deposit. It's not claimed for at least 10 years. What is the motive of the 50 rupees denomination banknote? Sun Temple Konark 10 rupees, Rani Ke Bhav 100 rupees, Hampi with Chariot 50 rupees, and Sanchi Stupa 200 rupees. It's a motif of different banknotes. It's a motif of different banknotes. Okay, 10, 100, 50, and 200. Mongolian with a motif of 2000 rupees note. Okay, 2000 rupees note. A bond that doesn't pay any interest rate is considered as interest free bond, zero coupon bond, masala bond, or useless price bond. Okay, the interest is not paid. That's called zero coupon bond. Coupon rate means interest rate. Coupon rate is associated or includes interest rate. If a bond is issued, okay, and it is not paying any coupon, then it is called zero coupon bond. That means the bond will be issued at discount. The bond will be issued at discount. Okay, if the cost of the bond is rupees 10,000, then or 1 lakh, it will be issued at the rate of 95,000. Okay, 95,000 rupees rate issue होची and ଯେତେବେଳେ maturity ହେବ then we will get 1 lakh rupees. Masala bond क्या कहगा? The bond which is issued in foreign stock exchange, but in Indian currency. Foreign stock exchange issue होची but Indian currency रे, then it will be called masala bond. Got it? Next question. Which bank recently announced to continue to be identified as the domestic systemically important bank or DSIBs by RBI? It is ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and SBI, State Bank of India. It is ICICI, HDFC, and SBI. Okay, it's called DSIB. DSIB means this bank's asset size is more than 2% of country's GDP, and it is too large to fail. And if it is going to be failed, then there is an adverse effect the Indian economy as well as the world economy might experience. That's why we have to keep it in a different categories called DSIB or domestic systemically important bank as per the rules of Basel or BIS Bank for International Settlement. Got it? चलो फिर next question के लिए. Which of the following activities are not permitted to payment banks? Remittance service, issuing credit cards, issuing ATM cards, accepting demand deposits. Payment bank was started on the recommendation of Nachiket More Committee. Nachiket More Committee. Okay, Nachiket More Committee. Payment bank can accept deposits, issuing ATM cards, provide remittance facility, but it cannot issue credit cards. Okay, payment bank cannot issue credit card, but it can accept deposits up to rupees 2 lakhs. Okay, up to rupees 2 lakhs. No, it can, Arun, it can provide remittance services, but it cannot issue your credit cards. Which of the following deposit is insured by DICGC? DICGC stands for Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation of India. Okay, it was established in the 1978. It is a subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India. Okay, it's a subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India that ensures the deposits of the bank's account, like saving account, current account, fixed deposit, and recurring deposit. Okay, maximum up to the amount of 5 lakhs. Maximum up to the amount of rupees 5 lakhs. Okay. Question number 12. If the cost of raw material increases, then the cost of final goods also increases. If this situation leads to inflation, then it will be referred as cost push inflation. So it leads to which types of inflation? Cost push inflation, purchasing power inflation, demand pull inflation, or sectoral inflation. Inflation is the economic condition when the prices of the goods and services increases and the value of the money decreases. It is basically happen for two reasons. One is called demand pull inflation, one is called cost push inflation. Okay, when there is more demand and less supply, then the price will automatically increase. That is called demand pull inflation. But cost push inflation means if the raw material cost or cost of production is increases, that's why the prices of the different articles increases, then it will be called cost push inflation. Cost push inflation. Next question. What percentage of adjusted net bank credit or ANBC should be in priority sector lending for small finance bank? This is an important question. This is an important question that priority sector lending. Priority sector basically deals with agriculture and allied sector. Okay, agriculture and allied sector. There are 7 or 8 sectors comes under it. One is agriculture, one is MSME, one is education, one is renewable energy, one is housing, one is export credit, Okay, export credit, and the last one is renewable energy or weaker section. Okay, all banks or commercial banks are advised by RBI to give minimum 40% of their loan to the priority sector lending. But in case of small finance bank, it is 75%. Okay, small finance bank, RRBs, cooperative bank. Okay, they will provide minimum 75% of their credit or loan to the small finance bank. Clear? The system of note issued followed by RBI is the system of note issue followed by RBI is proportional reserve system, minimum fiduciary system, minimum reserve system, or minimum maximum fiduciary system. The answer is B. It is minimum reserve system. The answer is B, that is minimum reserve system. Under minimum reserve system, Reserve Bank of India has to maintain minimum 200 crores of reserve. Out of this, minimum 115 crore in the form of gold. Okay, minimum in the form of gold. Okay, on that basis, it can issue notes. Okay, ଅନୁସାରେ ହିଁ Reserve Bank of India ତାର note issue କରିପାରିବ. That is called minimum reserve system. Minimum reserve system. The rate at which scheduled banks could borrow fund overnights from Reserve Bank of India against the approved government securities, that is called last questions रे ଆମେ discussion करଥିଲେ, that is called marginal standing facility or MSF. Marginal standing facility or MSF. Okay, चलो फिर next question के लिए. All of the following are money market instrument except certificate of deposit, commercial paper, Indian depository receipt, or commercial bill. Certificate of deposit is a money market instrument issued by bank or financial institution to raise capital. Same as commercial paper is issued by companies or corporates to raise their capital. Okay, commercial bill is something. It is a bill of exchange which is acceptable by a bank for discounting purpose called bill of exchange. But Indian depository receipt. Okay, Indian depository receipt means a depository receipt issued by the Indian depository like NSDL or CDSL. Okay, NSDL or CDSL in Indian stock market is called Indian depository receipt. Next question. Who among the following is or are eligible to issue the commercial papers in India? Corporates, private dealers, all India financial institutions, and all of the above. The answer is all of the above. What is the minimum denomination of treasury bill issued in India? 25,000, 5 lakhs, 10,000, or 10 lakhs? Treasury bill is issued by Reserve Bank of India on behalf of the Government of India to raise capital. Okay, it is issued in the denomination of 25,000, but it is issued in zero coupon. Issued in zero coupon. That means it is issued in discount. Okay, issued in discount. Most importantly, it is issued for 91 days, 182 days, and 364 days. चलो फिर next question के लिए money that government has required to be accepted in settlement of debt is called legal tender money. It's called legal tender money. Legal tender is a currency or money which is issued by the central authority of a bank for medium of exchange and settlement of debt. That is called legal tender money. Barter money is something जो प्रीवियस में हो रहा था कि भाई चावल के बदले चावल और चावल के बदले गेहूं वो देना. These are all barter money systems. Okay. So next question. Which of the following set is correctly matched? FTSE New York, Hang Seng Korea, Nikkei Japan, S&P London. The answer is Nikkei Japan. FTSE it's Singapore. Hang Seng is Hong Kong. S&P in USA. Okay. Next question. SDR is a money unit of which of the following organization? The answer is IMF, International Monetary Fund, situated in Washington DC. It has 190 members and its currency box is called SDR or Special Drawing Right. Okay, it is issued in dollar, sorry, US dollar, euro, pound sterling, Japanese yen, and renminbi. And renminbi. Got it? Khirganga National Park is situated in Himachal Pradesh. Subrata Cup or Subrata Football Cup is associated with Subrata Cup or Subrata Mukherjee Cup is associated with football. Okay, they associate with football. Just like FIFA World Cup, FIFA Under 17 Women World Cup is being held in Bhubaneswar, Mumbai, and Goa. Bhubaneswar, Mumbai, and Goa. Very good, Pallavi. Right answer. Okay, I think the question numbers. Okay, we have another question. Nuclear power plant. Narora nuclear power plant is situated in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Uttar Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, sorry, not Madhya Pradesh. There are other nuclear power plants like Kundankulam, in Tamil Nadu, Kolpakam in Tamil Nadu, Tarapur, Maharashtra, Kaiga, Karnataka, Rawatwata in Rajasthan. Okay, they are the major nuclear power plants are situated in India. So आज के लिए सेशन इतना ही. We just discussed some important topics. Current there is a banking awareness and some conceptual thing which all the very best for coming examinations. At IBPS PO you must attempt fully and you must maintain your priority and accuracy on this. Okay. Thank you so much for attending this session. See you next class. Thank you.